Welcome back to Lego by the Book. Today I'm going to be building set 42089 Powerboat. It's a Technic set. There's also a 2-in-1. Appears they have both a powerboat and a hydroplane variant. So I assume the instructions for the other ones, the other ones are online. So we're going to build the one that's in the box. Oh no, stickers. The worst. Here. There's gears involved. And wheels. Why are there wheels? I'm dubious of the presence of wheels. Does it have wheels on the bottom so it can roll along the floor? That would actually be pretty cool. We're gonna find out. Little bits. I might actually pull out a tray for these. Not that tray. I'll get a big tray. Alright. Instructions. Here we go. Alright, let's start with a beam. Technic was never my area growing up, and I thought it was neat, but I didn't receive a lot, and so I didn't really get that into it. My friend Devin was the one who was always into Technic. He had far more Technic than anything else, and he's still a huge fan. For a while there, we would fairly regularly, he's been on my channel a couple of times, we did some pretty big builds when he would acquire a big fancy Technic set from Bricks and Wheels, and then we'd stay up far too late given how old we are building big fancy Technic sets. Good times. Yellow axles. Interesting. Don't know that I had any yellow axles before. Yeah, sure enough, looks like they've got wheels on the underside so it can roll. That's gonna be neat. I like that. I don't have any issue with that. Okay, so that's apparently the front section, back section, front section. I think that's the front. Yes, that is the front. Okay. Now we are apparently going to work on the back, which involves an engine. Which I suspect they're actually going to have. Oh, that's what the wheel. Okay. This back problem's probably actually going to have the piston go up and down. Won't that be nifty? There are those odd parts that I wasn't expecting. They're using the Musketeer foils in a pearlescent gray as antennas. Well, there it is. We have the usual plethora of spare parts that you would expect, and then one spare foil, which I was not expecting. So that's pretty nifty. Let's take a look at this thing. So yeah, you can see the piston go up and down. You can see the propeller spin. That is really kind of nifty. Doesn't roll very well, of course, because it's making all of that move. Blue seating there does not look very comfortable. There's not a whole lot of seat. But yeah, steering wheel doesn't do anything, but you can turn, especially if you bank. A neat little set. I have no idea where this one came from. Probably Sparky Santos would be my guess, though. If I'm wrong, whoever it is from, let me know, and I will put you in the video description with my thanks. Neat little set. Another one that doesn't have parts that I need. I mean, the only things that I would probably use anywhere else would be the foils, but then I could easily replace those with a different antenna. But the rest of it, I will probably leave this assembled and hopefully one day have somewhere to display it, because I don't need the parts for anything. So yeah, neat little, fun little build. There's some neat techniques in there. I like how they made the propeller and the motor go up and down. Another train. And I think that's neat. That's a neat bit of gear work in there. I like that. I like action features like that. So cool little set. Thank you for sending this. This was a fun build. And thank you guys for watching.